Welcome to your in-depth guide of how to drive an automatic. Today we're going to go over all of the very important steps to driving a modern day automatic car. Step 1, manual guys, you can eat it and weep. This is called remote start. It's 2018. It's about damn time. That's a tow hook because automatics are race cars, so you got to have your tow hook in at all times. Because automatics are so much faster, you obviously have to have your extra aero canards. Front splitter, I'm going to get a splitter for my splitter so that I'm splitting the air before the splitter splits it, because that's very key. Side skirts for extra downforce, because obviously automatics are way faster. Automatics also sound better, as you can tell. Extra loud for extra fun. Now that we're in here automatic, you can see no third pedal. I don't know what three-legged man designed the manual, but I got 2 feet, 2 pedals, key for race car driving. Gotta make sure we close our door for driving because it's very unsafe not to. Push button start, obviously very important. Every automatic comes with some funky letters. Parents really need drugs. That's how you remember which gear is gear. So what you want to do, put it in gear, you want to go from parents to drugs, because drugs are going to help you immensely while you are operating your vehicle. Dash cams, as you heard, starting normal recording is very important so that when you're beating all the manuals, you have video proof to share with your buddies on Instagram. Very important when you're driving an automatic to leave as little gap as possible. You want to make sure that you get as much race car time as humanly possible. It may appear that somebody driving another automatic went so fast their kid may have actually pooped themselves and caused a disturbance in the back seat. They have pulled over. That is safe driving. So it's very important when you're driving an automatic that you take your free time, because quite frankly, you bought an automatic because they're faster, which means you bought an automatic to drive fast, which means you got to keep it in the line. I'm going to say it right now. If you're going to go down the road and you're going to do one of these like everybody else does with their cell phones up, you're not going to win any races. It's all about performance. We're going that way. We're going to get there first. Whoa. Sorry, I got a little carried away there. 743 foot-pounds of torque was kicked in and almost threw my back out. Very important when you buy an automatic, you get the upgraded seats will give you more support so you don't throw your back out as often. I cheaped out and I didn't get them, so now I don't got them. Driving this automatic, I don't really know what the plus and minus does down here, other than maybe it goes faster because you're adding or subtracting speed. I haven't quite figured it out, but I'm hoping to in the future. It's very important when you're driving an automatic that you always signal your turns. Coming in so hot that you don't want to blindside anybody with a red rocket. It's also very important when you're driving an automatic that you regulate your throttle. Too much throttle and you may end up backwards in your own lane looking like an idiot. That's how you lose to a manual. You'll also notice when you're driving an automatic, you have so much free time and you have a whole free hand here. You can do whatever you want. Sometimes I brush my teeth, sometimes I comb my hair, sometimes I just do the dolphin inside the car, pretending like there's a whole bunch of wind going through. All those manual guys will tell you a manual's better because you get to row your own gears. I don't know if they've ever been in a boat, but rowing yourself around isn't that much fun. They're building a gas station right there for automatics only because it's more efficient and it's faster. You'll notice while I'm sitting here that my left leg is basically on vacation, which is good because my right leg don't work too good, so it does most of the work anyways. One more point on the automatic. I do not think that they invented this for women. I'm just saying, I don't think that's true. My automatic automatically got away on me there, so now I have to turn it into manual mode and downshift it because I was going too fast. Driving right down this here cliff face, and I automatically put my foot on the brake and it automatically downshifts because it knows I don't want to go that fast. That guy must be driving a manual. He can't even keep it between the lines. Automatics shine best in the city here. I can be the light to light champion on every street, even if they don't know I'm racing. The only thing my automatic can't do is it can't automatically mail the manual drivers that I beat, saying sorry. I meant it, but I didn't mean it. Had to stop off and get some painkillers for all the necks that automatically break. I had to put some skinny tires on my car just because I was tired of automatically winning. I hope everybody enjoyed my comprehensive review of how to win in an automatic. Great car, great transmission, winning for days.